Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the RD combo indicator for MT4. This indicator combines multiple components into a single visual tool on your MetaTrader 4 charts, helping you interpret market direction and conditions without switching between several separate indicators. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the RSD combo indicator plots its elements in a separate sub-window, typically using a mix of lines, signals, and color changes to represent shifts in market behavior. You may see trend following elements alongside momentum or volatility components, giving a combined view of whether the market environment is leaning more towards trending or ranging conditions. As price evolves, the visual changes in the indicator, such as the way lines slope, cross, or change color, imply how strength, direction, or phase of the market is developing without telling you exactly where to enter or exit. Over time, the chart builds a layered picture that blends these different inputs into a single combo perspective designed to simplify your technical view. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. All right. So for the key inputs, we have the do alert for entry, alerts for exits, history size, color threshold, noise filter, and debug logger data. You can also choose our preferred colors as well and trade on our preferred time frames. So who's this indicator for and what are its limitations? The RD combo indicator is aimed at traders who prefer an all-in-one visual tool instead of stacking many separate indicators on the same charts, whether they trade intraday or higher time frames. It is an analytical and visual aid tool only and does not place or manage trades. Any information it provides should be confirmed with independent analysis such as price action, structure, and risk management. Because it merges several components, there can still be conflicting signals in choppy or transitionary markets, so it should not be treated as a standalone decision maker. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the RD combo indicator and other MT4 tools at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming educational videos.